When I watched this video for the first time, I was totally confused. Like, how is that even possible? But after watching it again, I finally understood what actually happened. The car went straight onto the roadside railing, climbed over it, and then flipped over.
With Captain Pimentel, in case the battleship is badly out of position in the Cacique system.
God
it
damn
boiled
it.
down to the fact that there were no alternatives.
Fuck.
All his heavy ships were to split their initial...
Are you all okay?
Yeah.
You okay? Yeah.
Fucking motherfucker! Piece of...
Dumb ways today. Dumb ways today. Dumb ways to die.
around her name. Seems kind of relevant.
7-8 show.
He's such a shitty chief.
You got in the dash cam, motherfucker.
That he drives the.
Okay, Garmin.
The programming language was called Chomsky because it was designed to talk to the deep structures in the brain. It's a deep language, pun. The great thing about Chomsky as a programming language is that it's amazingly flexible. Pun. The great thing about Chomsky as a programming language is that it's amazingly flexible. Once you know it, once you really know it, you find out there are all sorts of ways to address any problem or issue or goal. This is essential for neural networks. They have to be flexible because every brain is different. So the language you program them in has to have the same sort of flexibility. You keeping up with me so far? It's a little esoteric, I said, which is my point, Tony said. Chomsky is a language that has to be esoteric because it's interfacing directly with the brain. Now, a side effect of this is, because Chomsky allows so many different ways to tackle any one specific problem, programmers who are truly fluent in Chomsky end up developing their own voice, by which I mean they address goals and parameters in a way that's idiosyncratic to them. If you spend any real time looking at the code, eventually you can tell who wrote it, like someone who writes novels.
What the fuck is your deal?
好一点的吗？去找一点，找一个。笑死我了！完蛋了，完蛋了，完蛋了，出车祸了，亲爱的！我被人撞了，亲爱的。